how to log in Gmail account. So if you want to log into your Gmail account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for Gmail. Once you've searched, here you will have mail.google.com. You can simply click on that, and then you need to choose your account to sign in. So simply tap on the account which you would like to sign in. And now you need to enter the password to sign into your account. So if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, enter your password and tap on next and click on next. And that's it. Now you're signed in. So that's how you sign into your Gmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.